Hello and welcome. Today, we'll learn about an important moment in American history, the American Revolution. A long time ago, in the 1700s, America was not an independent country. It was a group of 13 colonies, controlled by Britain. The British government made the colonists pay high taxes. But the colonists had no voice in the British government. This made many people angry. They said, "No taxation without representation." Tensions grew. In 1775, the first battles started in Massachusetts. It was the beginning of the American Revolution. In 1776, the colonies wrote the Declaration of Independence. This document said that all people have the right to be free. It said that the colonies would become a new nation, the United States of America. The war lasted many years. Thousands of soldiers fought. The colonists were called patriots. They wanted freedom. The British Army was strong, but the patriots didn't give up. In 1781, the British Army surrendered at Yorktown. 2 years later, in 1783, the war officially ended with a peace treaty. America was free. A new country was born. The American Revolution was not just a war. It was the beginning of something new, a nation built on the ideas of freedom, equality, and independence. That was today's story from American history. Thanks for being here, and don't forget to like and subscribe.